What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the Jafanda Desktop Air Purifier. Taking a look at the specs, this has aromatherapy, a bladeless fan, a dimmable nightlight, and their latest dual-in technology, which increases purification efficiency by over 40%. So taking a look inside the box, you get your manual, your charging adapter, and then of course the unit itself. So taking a look at the unit itself, this is definitely a very cool looking air purifier. All along the front here, you have this nice fabric material. Then on the bottom, you have these legs which look like wood. The one I have here is in gray, but they also make this air purifier in blue or pink as well. So taking a look at the front of the unit, you have a dial here which is to power it on and off, as well as set the fan speed. What I like about this is you aren't limited to basic speeds like low, medium, and high, but instead can dial it in to the exact speed that you would like it at. Then when you turn it on, you have some hidden buttons here at the bottom. So to the right over here, you have the button for your night light, and these are touch sensitive buttons as well. What's cool is they could have just put a regular white light on this, but they actually took it a step further and put in a RGB light where you can choose from quite a few different colors. So when you first turn it on, it'll be in this mode that just slowly cycles through different colors. You can see right now it's blue, and it's slowly changing, and now it's purple, and it keeps on moving. So say if I like that color and I want to leave it there, you just tap on it again, and it'll lock it in to stay at that one color. Then you go ahead and tap it again, that'll turn it off. Then coming to the other side, you just have one more button, and that's your filter reset button for when you change out your filters. Coming to the center of the unit, you have this little box here which opens up, and this is your oil diffuser. So you can go ahead and add whatever oil of your choice in here, so you can not only purify the air in your room, but also get some aromatherapy going as well. So this air purifier has a multi-stage filtration system along with what they call dual-in technology. Often air purifiers would just have one spot where it pulls in air, but this one actually pulls in air from both sides of the unit. On each side of this, you have a PM10 pre-filter, a H13 HEPA filter, and lastly, an activated honeycomb carbon filter. Again, these three are on both sides of the unit for a total of 6 filters. So let me go ahead and flip this around. And to change out the filters is very easy. You have this little button here, and this whole thing pulls off. And right here, you have your 2 sets of filters. They have this little handle, and you just pull the whole thing out. And this is what your filter looks like. And all of these little holes, you have the activated carbon. So I don't know if you could see that, but so overall, definitely very cool, and it looks like it should work very well. And then you just put that back on there, and you're good to go. The fan on this unit is also very quiet as well. On low mode, it's only 22 decibels, which is the equivalent of the sound a person would make when they are breathing. It does get a little louder as you go up in speed, but even on max setting, this is still a very quiet fan. So right now I actually have it on the lowest speed, and I can still feel a decent amount of air coming out, and you cannot hear this at all. You can hear it very, very minimally, but it's very hard to hear it. So I'll go ahead and not make noise and see if you can hear it, the difference. So here's off, and then here's on. As I said, there's really not much you can hear. So let me go ahead and dial it up so you can see the different noise levels. So here we have it at 50%. You don't hear any actual noise from this, but all you hear is the noise of the actual wind moving. And then at 100%, you can hear it's kind of like a wind turbine. But again, that's not something that this unit can control, because it's just pumping out so much air. Inevitably, that's just going to make noise from the wind. So overall, still very, very quiet. But it's nice that on this highest setting, this is blowing out quite a bit of air. So we do have a larger air purifier in my house that we use, but this one is going to be great to keep inside my kids' room or here in the basement where we sometimes get weird smells on really hot days. Overall, this is definitely a great little air purifier, and its small size really makes it flexible on where you can place it. Lastly, it is also very affordable as well. So if you happen to be in the market for an air purifier, I highly recommend taking a look at this one here from Jafanda. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.